I started off by clamping down the top piece to the fence, then adding the back pieces and marking a line so I could pre-drill for screws. I'm going to use some trusty old playing cards as shims. I needed a way to give clearances. I wanted 2 cards thickness under the top and 4 cards thickness under the back. This would ensure that the front of the fence would sit tight on the table saw top. By placing 2 cards under the back when attaching the top, then placing 4 cards under the back when attaching the front, I would get my desired outcome. Okay. Add a couple of clamps. Because once set, I do not want them to go anywhere. Okay. Okay. So, we're going to right there. Oh, almost forgot. Got to put those playing cards in. Not be a good thing to forget. Because then I'd have to take it apart and do it again, and well, that just wouldn't work. I don't think I've got that quite right. There we go. That's better. All right. All right, so the back side is done. Okay, and I can take off all the clamps by 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Now I have just a little bit of an overhang. I can just barely feel it. That's to give me some leeway this direction. We'll do the same thing as last time. Set it up against here. Draw my line. I got my angle right. What was important is that the front face has a 5-degree back angle cut on the bottom. All right. Should have thought of that the first time. Okay. Okay, take out the playing cards. And nice and tight. Nice and tight. All right. And I know those are a little thick. Let's try it with a piece of paper here. Yeah, won't go under. Just exactly what I want. So that's how to build yourself an auxiliary fence. This one is specifically so that I can run thin material against it. I could add a second auxiliary fence to this for something taller, which is in my plan. I'll do that when I need it. So that's why this side is so tall. So that I could add something and maybe have it up to here, which is what, 12, 14 inches. And I've already got a good base for it. So anyway, that's how you build these. Thanks for watching, and I hope you will like and subscribe. Ring the bell to be notified when I post new videos. I look forward to bringing you many more videos in the future.